Good morning, my people. Good afternoon, good evening, depending your location or your time zone, wherever you are. This video is going direct to Ijele. Ijele. People in life doesn't know their problems, and there is some people that doesn't have handwork and doesn't have something doing. They only go about and looking for troubles where trouble is not. Ijele. I haven't looked for your trouble for one day. I haven't called your name for one day, but always you are calling my name and you are looking for my problem. Ijele, your days are numbered. Ijele, your days are numbered. I'm telling you right in your face like this. I'm telling you that your days are numbered. Beware, beware, because you have called problem for a long time, and problem you shall see. You understand? Problem you shall see, Ijele. Mark it somewhere. Your days are numbered.
I'm very happy today that the Nigerian terrorist state has handed over what they cannot achieve to one of their puppet informants known as Udele. They have given you the mission that they could not accomplish. As you are bragging, making noise on social media, I am very happy that your paymasters have handed over the mission they couldn't accomplish. They have handed it over to you so that you can lead. Well, it is very funny. Udele, it is very funny. Your paymasters did a great job so that you understand what the terrorists they have been sending in the Holy Land, what they have seen. You think it is by making noise on social media. Your paymasters have given you what we know as the devil's gift. And I want to inform every terrorist that you are coming with. They should not allow you to hide under armored tank. You must lead. You must lead. You must lead at the front line. They should not allow you to hide under armored tank. You come to fight the children of God. Once a saboteur, it's always a saboteur. Ijele, or what they call you, Udele. I am very happy that you are coming. You are coming to experience what the terrorists you have been given informant to come have been experienced. But you will not go back. You will not go back the same. The land of Biafra will not allow you to go back. Every terrorist you are bringing along, I want them to understand that they should not allow these Ijele or whatever they call you to hide under armored tanks. You must come out openly like others, because you will not escape. The karma will be before you. Those that choose to fight the children of God will perish.
So this Ekperima you see on my screen now, according to the video he did recently, he said that he's in Imo State and they are looking for youth. Then go by. According to the video when he do, no be say I hear say na him do the video. So I watched the video. So I don't want to carry his video. I don't want to carry the video. But according to him, he mentioned the part of Imo State where they are. And in that video, he mentioned the name of this man they call, what is it called? Nosokwa. Even if you go to Nosokwa's page, you will hear him replying to the idiot. I believe say that man is in Imo State. And according to him, he said they are hunting. That he brought Nigeria to hunt Imo State youth. In Imo State, in one community, he mentioned his name to the extent that he said that Nosokwa is one of those that is harboring the youth. So you know the story now. Any person where they catch not or delete the person. So if you are in Imo State, you got to be very, very careful. So now waiting I say make I tell you. So this guy is comfortably moving around Imo State. And the Imo State people are watching him. He's comfortable. This guy have caused a lot of damage in Igbo land. Now waiting I say make I tell you.